Alright, here's my '06 Maxima. I changed all 6 spark plugs and all 6 coils. I had a random misfire PO 300. So the misfire seemed to have stopped, but now the motor is like revving high. So we're about to run the code now, see what comes up. Alright, so now we got 3 codes. P0037. And what's the next one? P0444. So I have no clue what that is off the top of my head. I gotta do some research, but that's what the codes are after changing the, like I said, I had a PO 300 misfire. So instead of me trying to figure out which cylinder was misfiring, I said, fuck it. I'm just going to just replace all the plugs, all the coils, and call it a day. So at least the misfire is not coming up. So hold up. Catalytic, evap, O2 sensor, EGR, 4 ready, misfire, fuel. Alright, so we're gonna figure this out. If you know, if anybody knows, leave comment below. Let me know if you have any information on this. So alright, thanks. Bye.